Behold, I will send you Elijah the prophet before the coming of the great and dreadful day of the Lord. Verse 6. And he shall turn the heart of the fathers to the children, and the heart of the children to their fathers, lest I come and smite the earth with a curse. Before Jesus comes, God is going to send Elijah the prophet. And this work of Elijah is to restore the heart of the father to the son, and the heart of the sons back to the father. What is taking place here? This verse is saying before Jesus comes again, a work of family restoration needs to take place. Before Jesus comes, restoration in families need to take place. Why is the question? Jesus, in his infinite wisdom, knew that before he comes again, our families are going to be in a mess. He knew that our families are going to be broken up. There's not going to be love in the home. We're going to cherish envy, bitterness, hatred in our families. Hence he says, before I come again, a work of restoration in the family needs to take place.